Pangolin Photo Safaris.
Hi, I'm Toby and welcome to the final winner announcement show of the Pangolin Photo Challenge 2023. Here we are, this is the big one. So in this show we're going to be announcing the winner of the Pro Challenge, then we're going to move on to the winner of the Best of 2023 Challenge image, and finally we're going to end up with a lucky draw to see which one of you out there has won a safari just by entering. So without further ado, let's do this, shall we? Are going to reveal the highly commended images and the ultimate winner of the Pro Challenge for 2023. All of the images you're about to see were taken by professional photographers, so it's a different category, and they were all taken in the calendar year of 2023. Now, the winner of this round is going to win a 5-night stay at the Pangolin Chobe Hotel for 2 people, plus a brand new Canon R7 and 100 to 400mm RF lens, courtesy of our friends at Canon. So not a bad price, eh? Not bad at all. Okay, so let's get started. We've got the images here, so we're going to go through them and I'll share them with you so you can enjoy it. And then we'll also give you our thoughts on some of the images as they come along. Okay, so the first image, let's go through this, is an image simply called Elephant by Bart Marantz from the USA. What do you think of this one, Guts?
I really love this. You know, I'm always a big fan of black and white, but you know, going through this dark, eerie image and you just have that little bit of tusk sticking out and all the focus is right there, the hair coming off the side. Love this. It makes you look and look again and think again. Stunning image.
There we go. And everyone complains about photographing the backsides of animals. In this case, it's been a winner, isn't it?
Absolute winner.
There we go. Okay, congratulations, Bart. Highly commended. Didn't win this time. Maybe next time. Okay, the next image. Righty-ho, this is Alex Brax from Belgium, and it's some buffaloes.
Very interesting. It's always difficult, you know, this is probably at the height at Samanga.
It is at Samanga, yeah.
And you know, the height shots are very common and it looks very much the same. But well done. Here you've done actually something that's different and something that's unique. It's a complete different shot you get from the height. Very, very nice.
Very nice. I really like this sort of sunburst effect, which makes it sort of quite ethereal as well. So
have the eye in the circle there.
Yeah, very nice. Anyway, Alex, highly commended. Very great image. Well done. Congratulations. Next up, we have a very interesting photograph. When you saw this the first time, where did you think it was?
I thought it's Africa.
Yeah, so did I. Yeah, it's a fascinating shot.
Very, very beautiful shot. Typical sunset. You know, we all love sunsets. But to have this shot blown up will just be looking great on the wall. Sadly, it's a little bit grainy. It's probably very high ISO that was using here. Quite often during sunrises, sunsets, we have to use a lot of high ISOs, and sadly, it's the only thing that bugs me a little bit is the grain on this image.
I think when you see it on a screen, I mean, this was taken in Corbett Tiger Reserve in India. The photographer, sorry, I forgot to announce, is Trikansh Sharma from India. So it's in his neck of the woods. It's not the Masai Mara as we immediately thought. I mean, I don't know why, with massive mountains and things behind, but instinctively I think we thought that. But it's a really, really lovely image. It works well on the screen, but like Gut said, the reason it didn't win is it's a little bit grainy, but great image nonetheless. Nice composition.
Beautiful, beautiful image. Calming image.
Calming, it is very calming, very serene. Okay, we're on to the winner. This is it. So here is the winning image, and it's by Mr. Matrishpa Vyas from India. So it's an India 1-2.
Fantastic. This kind of shot is one of those images we all strive for. I know how difficult it is to get that perfect shutter speed, to get a beautiful motion blur, but also detail on the line. And I know, you know, lines never want to shake while it's raining. You have to wait through the rain, getting wet, miserable rain, and only at the end when it's finished, and then all of a sudden they start shaking. And you only get 1 or 2 shots of this stunning shot. Love it.
Really cool. Taken in the Masai Mara. So, Matrishpa, congratulations. There will be a Canon R7 and an RF 100 to 400 lens waiting for you when you arrive with whoever you're bringing with you here at the Pangolin Chobe Hotel here in Botswana.
Nice. Looking forward to meeting you.
Okay, so here it is, the moment all of you photographers have been waiting for. We are now going to reveal the highly commended and winning images from the Best of 2023 round. Now, just to remind you, these were all taken in the calendar year of 2023 and they were all amateurs. Now, whilst the judging was going on, Guts was out of comms. Where were you, Guts?
I was in Svalbard, north of 80 degrees this time, so no communication.
It was on a ship, no internet access, so couldn't join in the judging. So we thought it might be fun to reveal the images to him at the same time that we reveal them to you, and let's get his reaction. So there we go, we're really putting him on the spot. So he is probably secretly hoping there isn't anything unidentifiable. So, okay, so shall we get on with it?
Let's do it.
Okay, cool. Right, the first image, I'll let you have a moment to look at it, and then we'll give you some info on it. Okay, the first one is by Irene Claire Waring from the Great United Kingdom.
I love symmetry. That's always the key. And this is probably Antarctica or maybe South Georgia with the king penguins, and how they've got the young one in the middle looking up at mum and dad. You know, with these kind of images, it's always difficult. We talk about wedding photography because you've got the dark blacks, whites, you know, to get that detail in the blacks and to have the beautiful detail in the whites. Beautiful, beautiful symmetrical image. Love it.
Well, there we go. Excellent. So congratulations. There we go. That's the first image. Let me get my notes out. Okay, so that is Irene Claire Waring. Congratulations, a highly commended image in a very, very competitive round. Okay, the next image is, there we go, Julia T. Brown from the United States. What do you make of this?
Man, we've been looking for bears now up in Svalbard. This probably looks like Canada, having this pine trees in the background, but look at that expression, feeling safe at mum. Mum is proud of the young one. You know, that interaction shots, beautiful focus, just love it. Beautiful, beautiful shot.
There we go. Congratulations, Julia. That is highly commended. You should be very proud of yourself. It was an incredibly tough round. Okay, the next one we have is by a South African. The South African has made it into the top 5. There we go, finally. Veronique Pretorius.
That late afternoon sun probably, or early morning, dark backgrounds, black and white again. Look at the light on the cheetah, having that rim light. Beautiful horns sticking out there, the dust. Just fantastic. You know, these kind of shots are very difficult in that light situations, and then the big problem is always speed. We need to get our cameras fast enough to freeze the action. Well done, greatly executed, and what an amazing scene you've got here. Beautiful.
We will be publishing all of these images so you can have a longer look at them, and then I'm also going to publish the description of this one because it's amazing. The cheetah apparently was a coalition of 2 brothers on its own this time. One of the other brothers unfortunately passed away. Took out a baby oryx, they thought it was it, and then the whole herd came back in, zoomed in, took it out, the cheetah retreated. So a whole story, but this tells that moment. It's really, really awesome. And in black and white?
Love it. Black and white can't be classy.
There we go. Classy, classy. Righty-ho, getting close to the business end now. Here we go. Right, here we go. This is Paul Fenton from Australia, I believe. What's that?
Kestrels. Am I wrong?
I think it is. I think it is a kestrel.
Australian kestrel?
It's not a kestrel from here, is it?
You know, it's always difficult to shoot into a shadow area, and these birds are sitting deep into the shadow. To get detail in the shadows, you have to overexpose quite a bit. So you burn your background, so it becomes a beautiful high key image. The glint in the bird's eyes, mum or dad, for that matter, probably coming in with the food.
You can't tell if it's mum or dad?
Very, very difficult. Maybe people from Australia can help us with this.
Yes, put it in the comments. Is it the right bird? Put it in the comments. And is it male or female?
Fantastic shot. In the shadows there, all that attention, that lines coming in. Yeah, great shot. Well done.
Even like the eye shine in the chicks as well.
All the chicks has got sparkle in the eye. Absolutely brilliant.
Really, really good. Okay, so here it is. This is now, we're about to reveal the winning shot. Now, I'm going to tell you about the prize. So the prize, the person whose image this is going to win a place on one of our Chobe Delta safari, very popular safari. It starts off with 3 nights here, at the Pangolin Chobe Hotel, where you spend time on the Chobe River with Guts and his photo host colleagues that you know from the channel. After that, we fly down to the Okavango Delta, courtesy of our friends at Mack Air, to the amazing Shinde Footsteps camp. Very small camp, so we take it over exclusively and then spend 4 nights exploring the Shinde concession in the Okavango Delta. So it's an amazing package, one of our really, really popular packages. I'll leave some details in the description down below if you're interested in joining us. So here we go. Let's announce the winner. Here it is, and there we go.
Man, oh man, room light, polar bear. Ah, look at the goosebumps. We were looking for these buggers so hard, so strongly, and to have a dark background. You know, most of the polar bears love snow and ice. To have it with a dark background, to get this rim light, and perfectly from the side, you know, the separation between the feet, the neck. Stunning shot. Love it. And again, black and white.
Black and white, very popular. So, I suppose we should say who the winner is. It's Mr. Ulrich Wolf from Germany. So, we have a European winner.
Fantastic, congratulations.
Congratulations, Ulrich. It's an amazing shot. We are going to be printing this, and it's going to be exhibited at the hotel for the year. It's going to be arriving in the gallery. We're doing a whole refresh of the gallery, so it's just in time. So, Ulrich, when you come here for your Chobe Delta safari, you'll be able to sit here and have a selfie. Take a selfie by it. Yeah. Do you know, the irony is, we've created a new challenge for 2024, which is now open, by the way, free to enter, link in the description down below. You can be part of this whole process this year. But we've created a challenge called Out of Africa, for images that were taken out of Africa. This is quite a poor showing for safari images, to be honest,
unbelievable. Fantastic shot.
So there we go. So we encourage you to come and visit us here so you can get some more African safari images to enter in the challenge, because it looks like we should be going all to go and photograph bears at the moment.
Yeah.
Bears are amazing. Okay, I think that's about it from us.
Absolutely. What an honor. Thank you very much, Toby, to be part of this and to see this winning images firsthand. I just can't get over the quality of shots we've received during this year's competition.
Oh, do you know what we haven't done? No, hang on, we haven't done the lucky draw.
We need to do
hold on, lucky draw. Let's do that. Almost forgot. Let's do the lucky draw. And as if by magic, a laptop has appeared. I can't believe we almost forgot to do the draw. Such amateurs. Right, okay, so this is how it's going to work. We had 9,576 images entered. I have an app where you can put in numbers from 1 to 9,576.
So you just got an app for everything.
I've got an app for everything, I do, it's very true. I live off ChatGPT, no I don't. Okay, so what I do is I press the button here. Guts is actually going to film this, so you can film exactly what happened, so we've got full transparency. Please do it, thank you. Landscape mode, we're not on Instagram today. I'm going to film it, can you see it there? Ready? So what I'll do is I shall start the app. Fantastic graph. This is a free app, as you can see.
Graphics.
Beautiful. So as soon as I press the button, it's going to give us a number. And... ooh, 8639. There we go. Can you see 8639? Right. Yeah. Let's go. Chat to the people whilst I find out who's won.
Almost 10,000 people entered this competition, which is just unbelievable. And, you know, I said it before, what absolutely blew me away is the quality of images. We had unbelievable photography happening here, and the kind of pictures we got, and the mind-blowing photography was just amazing. Well done to everyone out there, and I'm very excited to see who's the winner.
Okay, we're almost there. 8, 6. This is a bit slower than I thought it was going to be. 8, 6, 3, 9. 8, 6, 3, 9. Here we go. We have Julianne Beeman. Julianne Beeman, and it's called Lima Kata. So I presume it's a picture of Lima. I'll post it so you can see the photograph that won. So there we go. Julianne Beeman, you have won a 5-night stay here at the Pangolin Chobe Hotel for 2 people, where you get to hang out with Guts and the team, go on the river, take photographs, have a whale of a time. So congratulations. There we go.
Congratulations, Julianne.
Well done. Yeah. So that's it, I think. We've done it. We've done it for another year.
Haven't forgot anything again?
Probably. This will probably have to be re-edited. There we go. So just a reminder that the 2024 Pangolin Photo Challenge is open. There are 6 challenges this year. Lots of prizes to be won. Again, you can win lots of safaris. We want to see the images. They're amazing. It's amazing. There's no pro challenge this year. We've decided just to keep it strictly amateur.
No.
But quite frankly, I can't see the difference.
I can't see the difference. The amateur stuff. Next level,
absolutely extraordinary. So thank you very much for being part of it. We look forward to seeing you on safari. Keep the images coming and come and join us.
Congratulations everyone.
Thank you. Bye bye.